Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 7 divided 2 divided 7 divided 2. So let's start with today's video solution. What people do, they solve it like this: 7 divided by 2 divided 7 divided by 2, and then they change the sign to division to multiplication and do the reciprocal, cancel out this, and what is left? Only 1. Which is a wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you heard it right. As per BODMAS and BATMAS rule, we know that division and multiplication both have same priority. But we have to always solve from left to right. And if an expression has same sign, division, division, division throughout, then always solve from left to right in this case as well. So let's solve from left to right. So 7 divided by 2 divided by 7 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2, this becomes multiplication. So it becomes 1 by 7, then again multiplication 1 by 2. Now we can cancel out. So numerator is 1 and 2 times 2 is 4. So what is the correct answer? 4. Now this is your homework question. Comment down below what you get, 1 or anything else. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.